Hello students, this is Ioqm 2020 or pre-RMO class. RMO is a simulated exam. There's a new exam pattern. So we'll solve from 16. So sides of x and y of a scaling triangle satisfy these two equations: x plus 2 delta by x plus y is 2 delta. So delta is the area of the triangle. If x equal to 60, y 63, length of the largest side of the triangle. So largest side, so x 2 lambda by x. Let me just draw it: a, b and c. So x equal to 60, y equal to 63. 2 lambda by y. So or x plus 2 into half xy into sine theta by x equal to y plus 2 into half xy into sine theta by y. So x plus y sine theta equal to y plus x sine theta. So x minus y equal to x minus y into sine theta. So sine theta equal to 1, so theta equal to pi by 2. So BC is 87, so that is the largest side. 87 is the answer. Next question. 17. How many two-digit numbers have exactly 4 positive factors? So here 1 and the number also are considered as the factors of n. Okay, so let P1 and P2 are the 2 primes. So n equal to P1 and P2 and n equal to PQ. Okay, so now primes less than so are like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Okay, interestingly 2021 year if you take, this is the product of 43 and 47, so the 2 prime numbers. Okay, so now P1 is 2 if we take, so P2 belongs to 5 dot 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 47. So in that way 30 numbers. If P1 equal to 3, in that way 5 to 31, so 9. If P1 equal to 5, then this belongs to 7, 11 dot 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 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. P1 equal to 7. So this is 7, 13 and 1, so 7 and 13. So 2. So PQ equal to 3Q. So the total numbers are 13 plus 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. Answer is 30. If sigma k equal to 1 to 41 plus 1 by root over k square and 1 by k plus 1 whole square is a plus b by c, and GCD of BC is 1, then what is the value of a plus b? Okay. So it's a summational calculation we have to do. This is being given. So let's write it as 1 plus k square plus 1 plus 2k plus k square. And this is k square, k plus 1 whole square equal to a plus b by c. Now this thing 1 square, 2 square plus 2k. K into k plus 1 square. So obviously summation of 1 by k plus 1. So this we can split it into two parts, summation of 1, summation of 1 by k into k plus 1. This is 40. This is summation, so we can split it into these two parts. This is very important. So 40, if you just put these values, so this is summation of 1. So this is actually k equal to 1 to 40 if you have seen in the main part. So 1 by 41 and a plus b by c. So 40 plus 40 by 41 equal to a plus b by c. So a equal to 40, b equal to also 40 and c equal to 41. So they have asked a plus b, so the answer is 80.